I'll tell you what, this little kayak ride is a little bit more than I expected. I think I bit off more than I can chew. It's pretty daunting out here. Much more than the 20 minutes the guy who rented me the kayak said. And of course, I asked for a life preserver and he just laughed at me. I don't even think he knows what it is. Anyway, it's pretty choppy out here. I'm feeling a little nervous. I'm getting bounced around quite a bit. Almost at Nui Beach. This is a lot of work. Okay. Almost at Nui Beach. Very hard to do this while in the kayak. I'm tired. That was quite a ride. Wow, I've made it to Nui Beach. Quite a ride. And it is beautiful. I'm the only one here. It was quite a little kayak ride, a little bit more choppy than I expected. It is stunning. I actually feel like I'm in a movie or something. It doesn't even feel real. Check out these caves over here. Okay, here we are at Nui Beach. Look at these caves. I'd like to think I'm the first one to ever discover these caves, but we all know that's not true. But nonetheless, it's still super exciting and cool. The water here is like crystal clear blue, green. Stunning. A couple of fishermen out there. On the side of that karst, that rock, I see some ropes that somebody's been climbing up there. Actually, clear evidence that I'm the first person here today is that there are no footprints. But I see these other marks, which I don't know what they are. So here we are at Nui Beach. It looks a little cloudy and I still have quite a ride back on my little tiny kayak. I'm the only one here stupid enough to do this today on this little kayak. And I'm the only one that has been here today because there is no other footprints. So, what a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beach. Little caves here. The water is, well, I don't need to tell you. Look at that water. Beautiful. But I better get back before I get caught in a storm in the kayak. This is Nui Beach from my little cave in a rainstorm. Not a bad place to be stuck. It is pouring down rain. I'm the only ones here. And I don't dare take the kayak out. I already tipped it twice. So there's no chance of me getting out of here until the still hanging out in my little cave while this rainstorm passes over. There's no chance in hell my little kayak will make it back to where I rented a kayak. I'm the only one here. I'm definitely not going to get out there in the wild ocean. Yeah, there was a good reason why no one else is renting kayaks today. Now I understand.